Hi everyone, welcome back to another week of buying groceries on our low spend month. My first haul today is from Kroger, which is my local Fred Meyer, and I spent a total of $25.97. I did have a $7 additional coupon, I'm not sure what for, that was taken off at the end, so that was my total and I'm super happy about it. First thing I got were some 60 eggs, because we need eggs. And then I found some great markdowns. The salad was $1.92. These two Cobb to-go salads were $2.06 each. And then this is what I originally went in for, was the raspberry and blackberry. They were $1.67, I believe, each this week with manufacturer coupon, limit of 5. So I grabbed 5. I got some kale to make some zuppa toscana later on. And then I found some more salad kits, markdowns, which are going to be great with all the meals that we are making out of using things up from our freezer, our pantry, and our fridges. So some fresh produce. And then these are not frozen. These were like in their deli section. These were on markdown, some pizzas, and they are pretty good size pizzas. And I grabbed all 3 of them, and I'm thinking tomorrow pizza with salad, and that's going to be really good. So I'm not even going to pop these in the freezer. I'm putting them in my other fridge. And then tomorrow we're going to cook them, because today I already have something else that I'm going to meal plan. That I meal plan to cook today. So let me get everything put away. And then I also went to Safeway. Their sale was, I only got a few things because there wasn't too much that I needed. So let me put that little haul here and show you what I got. All right, so here is my Safeway haul. My total is $12.06. So I do have the membership at Fred Meyer and at Safeway, where I get free delivery groceries at home. But you have to spend like $30, I believe, at Safeway and $35 at Fred Meyer. And you guys saw that I didn't have my total to be that much. And I could have gotten other things, I guess, but I didn't want to. I just really wanted to keep it to a minimum and really get the things we needed. First thing I got were some beautiful bananas, and I got them more on the green side because we still have some that we need to use up. And then I got drumsticks. They were on sale, 99 cents a pound, $5.14 for this big value pack, and then $4.49. So these were limited too. And the reason why I got these is because I actually don't have any in my freezer at all. No drumsticks. And my son Lucas really wants to make fried chicken, he has a seasoning and all that stuff that he saw on YouTube. So he's been asking to make a fried chicken with drumsticks. So obviously, I'm going to keep one out. Maybe we'll kind of season it and make it in the near future. But I also want to take like 2 or 3 of these and make some chicken noodle soup. And I think I'm going to do that today because that just sounds really good. There's snow outside, so that would be really good. Let me show you guys. We did get a little bit of snow. Yay. But anyway, that's going to be it for my haul this week. We have kept it under budget, which was our budget is $65 a week if we need to. I know that's kind of high for some people, but I just wanted to be realistic. And I didn't know if I was going to need to use the delivery services. And so that's why I put it at that price. But anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys next week and show you what we're getting for groceries on our low spend challenge. One more little haul for you guys. This is from Safeway. I spent $32.51. And the only thing missing from here is a box of waters, 24 bottles. Those were $2.50 for the whole case, and I just didn't want to haul it in here. So they have their $5 Friday, but it's not $5 anymore. I usually see $3, $5, or $6. And today they had their 1 pound of ground turkey for $3 a package, which is a good deal. It's an okay deal. I guess these days and age now, it's a good deal. To make my meatball soup, I need about 2 packages at least. So this is 3 soups worth. And I kind of broke the seal on this when I threw the coffee on it, but I'm going to put that in a Ziploc bag and it'll be fine. And then I like to do 1 scoop of regular Folger coffee and then 2 of half calf. And I am totally out. So I paid almost $11 for that, which is really a bummer because right now at Kroger, they are $6.99. So when I was there, if I would have realized that I didn't have any more in the stockpile, I could have gotten it for $7. But that's okay. I didn't want to go all the way there because we have a winter storm advisory coming this afternoon. Like the schools are half days and everyone's getting prepared. And so it's like chaos. And I was willing to pay the extra couple dollars to not deal with that. And that's it. That is my haul. Now I'm going to say thank you so much for watching this week because I did have to add these deals. I am totally out of ground turkey in my freezer, and my kids love the soup. And since snow and cold is around the corner, I mean, it's here, I want to have this and have at least it's about 3 weeks of worth of soup because I do it like once a week. So for the next 3 weeks, we'll have meatball soup once a week. And that is it. I will see you guys next week with some more fabulous deals.